Alright guys, how's it going? So of course, as usual, every month we do our account balancing. So let's run through our accounts. So this is we have 7 accounts, so I won't show you all, I'll just show you like 4 accounts. So futures, winning days, 13 days, 13 winning days. So I started trading this account just about, was it on the 20th or so? So let's see the live. So this account has made well over $8,000 gain. All right, so this is another account. Oh, can you guys see? $3,000 gain. See? And this is another account. $24,000. This thing is live. Don't think it's Photoshop. Let me refresh. So I'm refreshing. It's loading. Show. So that's it right there. $24,000 gain. Look at it there. Cumulative profit and loss, $24,000 gain. So here's another account. No, let me show you the actual figures. $8,000 gain. Yep. So if you want to learn how to trade, just slide into my DM. And not just learning how to trade, you want to learn how to become a world-class hedge fund manager, because that's actually what we train people into being. A hedge fund manager where you trade professionally. You can trade for companies, you can trade for governments around the world, right? And we'll also teach you how to make sure the capital is secured, right? So if this is something you love to learn, feel free to slide into our DM, right? Just slide in. Send a message, chat up any of the numbers on this chat or this video, and we'll get back to you ASAP.